And we are back for Logan Paul versus KSI. We're all acting like we don't give a toss, but by golly, by jingo, we need to know how this shit fuckery will end. Logan's main strategy has been to save up a huge load of jizz in his balls to make him extra angry, whereas KSI has done some push-ups. Round 1, punchy punch and hug. The referee says cut it out, you can hug after the match. Hit each other. KSI yells, it's your fault if this connects. Oh, it got him. Yeah, no, got him. Press back, forward on the D-pad. X, circle, triangle. Hold L1 and R1 together. And the referee gets cranky again. Round 1 done. Harry Potter loses his shit in the comments section. He loves it. He's like, blood. Give me blood. Instagram models, Drake. Good turnout. Round 2, JJ punishes the air. If I was Oxygen, I'd be in a lot of pain after the first 2 rounds. Up, down, quarter circle, square. Oh, got him. KSI is pissed off now. He's figured out a few combos. Hug. Yeah, nah, hug. Hug time again. Justin Timber Bieber Lake, whoever he is, endorses the hugs. Insert obligatory slow-mo replay. Round 3, Hadouken, Hadouken, Hadouken. Round 4, Logan shows up. The jizz-based aggression is kicked in. Here's a hyper uppercut and he yells, yeah, take that. The referee says, mate, I'm sorry you got bullied in a boxing ring. Give me $50, I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. Round 5, lots of jabbing and dabbing from Logan and a huggy hug. Obligatory slow-mo replay of a guy with a big load. Round 6, forward, back, up, down. Logan's controller isn't plugged in. It's broken. There we go. Both blokes are somewhere between wanting to grab a beer or rip each other's heads off. There's that guy from the Bus movie. The comments section is pretty quiet by the end of the fight. Even John Bernthal from The Punisher can't tell who's gonna win. Don't celebrate too early, Logan. Don't do it. Who's it gonna be? KSI has got it. Put your hoodie on, champ. Nah, fuck off. So, are you guys gonna be friends now? Can you quit sucking the world into internet drama? KSI thinks about it. He's apprehensive. Logan does his best good boy face. Yeah, alright. There we go, friends. That's what the internet is all about, everyone. Extreme hatred followed by hugs and respect, and of course, new Lamborghinis for all involved. Anyway, Logan talks about how he needs to go have a wank, and I hope you've enjoyed this internet mainstream amateur professional, whatever the fuck it is, event.